Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to know if someone blocked you on TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your TikTok application, and once you do that from the home screen, the first thing you can do is to check for the users who have blocked you. Tap on the Discover button at the bottom of the screen, and in the search box, type in the username of the person. If your search fetches, then you can be sure that the contact has not blocked you on TikTok yet. If the search result doesn't show up, then you are most likely blocked by the contact on TikTok. That is how you can know if someone has blocked you on TikTok. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.